Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a direct, reliable signal path. Plug the Xbox HDMI into the capture card, then connect the card to your PC on a USB 3.0 port. Once done, set the console's display to 60 Hz and the desired resolution so the capture card has a stable input. Make sure drivers for the capture device are installed and Windows updates are current, because stale drivers or missing updates are the most common blockers to starting a proper recording. Now configure your recording software. Add the capture card as a video source in OBS or select it inside the Xbox app. Then set the resolution and frame rate, 30 or 60 frames per second depending on performance, and pick a bitrate in the 6,000 to 12,000 kbps range for quality without choking your USB bus. Route audio so both game sound and your microphone are recorded. And in Windows sound settings, disable exclusive mode so apps will finish by recording a short sample to validate audio-video sync, check for dropped frames, and confirm file integrity. If you see stuttering, switch the encoder to hardware options like NVENC or QuickSync to offload the CPU or lower resolution and bitrate until stable. Make sure your capture card firmware and console software are updated. If there's no video feed, try a different HDMI cable or port. Enable capture or broadcasting permissions on the Xbox privacy settings and reboot both devices. This single troubleshooting step often resolves stuck signal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.